How to contact Shein customer service. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application from your device and get logged into your Shein account. In order to contact the customer service, tap on Me section from your bottom right corner. Under My Orders, you will see Support icon. Tap onto it. Here you will see various useful answers. If you would like to contact customer service for refund and return, you can tap on this. Likewise, if you would like to change the delivery, you can tap on this. And if you would like to have a live support or a live chat with the customer service, then you can tap on this customer service button. You will get directed towards chatting with the bot. If you type in that you would like to talk with a real person to solve your real problems, it can also happen. And if you would like more help, you can just tell them right here, and that is how you can contact Shein customer service. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.